family and friends coming over in 15 minutes? Go ahead, make them this delicious Coppa del Nonno, Caffè del Nonno. So many names, but it's a delicious, simple recipe. Hello everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making Crema Caffè. Crema del Nonno, they call it in Italy. It's basically a cream with lots of espresso in it. Simple, delicious, really 3 ingredients. Heavy cream, I have instant espresso coffee, some sugar, and then we have little espresso beans covered with chocolate and dark cacao just to sprinkle on top to decorate. Again, I'll leave all the measurements under the comments and also on www.alessandrasfoodislove.com. You can print all my recipes. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to need hot water, and I have about 2 ounces here. And we're going to dilute 2 full tablespoons of the instant espresso. Give it a good stir. Make sure it's all melted. Take a look like that, okay? It's all dissolved. And then place in the fridge until it's nice and cold. Now, the magic of these videos, voila. I pre-made it before. It's nice and cold. Please make sure it's cold, or it's gonna melt all the heavy whipping cream. A little trick with the whipping cream. Before I get started and I pull everything out, what I do, I just place it in the freezer, or even the bowl you could put in the fridge, because you want everything to be extremely cold so it whips to its fullest potential. So that's something I learned and I want to share with you. Now, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and add the sugar. The reason why I'm using the powdered sugar is just that I feel the granulated sugar tends to not give it as a smooth finish as the powdered sugar does. So, and if you don't have any around, just take your regular sugar and run it through the blender or the food processor, and you'll see you'll get a finer sugar. Let's go ahead and add the coffee right in. Now start picking up the speed because you want it to whip. Make sure that your bowl is nice and high because it's liquid. So with the speed of the fruste, of the whipping things, thingamajigs, it's going to start schizzare. It's gonna, how do you say schizza? It's going to splatter everywhere. So make sure you have a nice and high bowl while you're doing this. Scrape the sides as needed, so you want it all to be well incorporated. Now clamp closer, I think it's ready. Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And look at the beautiful color of that. Piping bag with a round tip. Now, if you don't have a piping bag, a round tip, no problem, you could spoon it out. Or the other thing, you could use a Ziploc, just cut the tip off and use a Ziploc. It works great too. But I have all these things I want to use them. So let's go ahead and want to talk about a little bit about these cups. Go to your local Salvation Army, your local thrift shop. You'll be surprised how many wonderful things you could pick up and give it new life. So I found these adorable little cups and I got them. So here we go. Let's get started. I'm gonna drop one of these inside as a little surprise, maybe 1 or 2. Just going to go around. Halfway through, I'm gonna drop in just some of the coffee beans. Then I'm continue on. Okay, beautiful. Now let's go ahead and decorate them with the remaining coffee beans. I'm going to place one right on top, like that. Let's try to get the bigger one so they look pretty. Final touch, the cacao on top. Look at that. Look, tell me how easy was this and how beautiful. I had a little bit of the cream left, so I made a little espresso cup. Another thing, you don't need to use little glasses. You could use little mugs, little espresso cups. Let your imagination run wild. Now, the best part of my videos, proviamo, proviamo, proviamo. Delizioso, absolutely delicious. For my keto friends out there, just omit the sugar and this could be a keto-friendly recipe. Thank you for watching. Please make these recipes, share them with your family and friends. Thank you. I'm humbled by all your messages and all my followers. Grazie, arrivederci, alla prossima. Ciao, ciao.